So here day 3 of slot 2 questions. Let's have a look at this particular question. The sum of all possible values of x satisfying the equation 2 to the power 4x square, okay, minus 2 to the power a quadratic equation plus 2 to the power 2x plus 30 is equal to 0. The moment we look at it, we actually get a little bit panicky, okay, but remember my dear, whenever you get these kinds of questions, now you are supposed to try to bring them together in term similar kind of looking terms. Like here you have 2x square, you have 2x square, so check whether this can also be converted to x square. Here you have x plus 16. Here you can get x plus 15. So try to express this also in terms of x plus 15. Okay. So when you have terms which are going to be like, no, then it's easier to substitute them with another particular variable and then start your solution. So what I'm going to do, I told you first I have 2x square here. So I'll try to express this also in terms of 2x square. So this is 2x square whole to the power 2. Minus, let me bring 2 to the power 2x square. Okay, since the powers are added, now it should be product here. 2 to the power, I'll write it as c. Here x plus 15 can be got. So I'll put it as x plus 15 and then I can put it into 2. Okay, so after that plus 2 to the power, okay, this is going to be x plus 15 whole square. This is equal to 0. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I have 2 to the power 2x square, which is common, okay, occurring in two places. I also have 2 to the power x plus 15 occurring in two places. So I'll put this as a, I'll put this as b. So this turns out to be a square, okay, minus, this is 2 here, this is a, this is b, 2ab, okay, and then plus I have b square is equal to 0. Now you tell me what is this particular formula? See, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Simple, a minus b whole square formula. Right? So we get here now that a minus b should be equal to 0, which tells me that a is equal to b. Now they're asking me the sum of all the possible values of x. So I have to get my equation in terms of x. So go back. Okay, a was 2 to the power 2x square is equal to 2 to the power x plus 15. Now since the base are same, now I can go and equate my powers. 2 to the power x square is equal to x plus 15. Let us bring them all on one side. You see that this is going to be a quadratic equation, right? Now either you can solve this and get the sum of all the possible values of x, but I know that x is going to be the roots of this quadratic equation, right? So they're asking you the sum of the roots, okay? And how do you get sum of the roots? Sum of the roots will be nothing but minus b by a. So here minus of b is minus 1 divided by 2. I get here 1 by 2. So this was option D, 1 by 2.